Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So మనం previous lecture లో CUET statistics syllabus చూసాం. Okay, so from now onwards we discuss how to clear the exam. So I already tell which topics you need to study well and which topics you need to focus more. So if you see the syllabus, I am again moving to the syllabus. If you see syllabus, first 5 units are mathematics. From 5 units you will get 25 questions. So remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are statistics. So 12 are statistics. From this 12 you will get 50 questions. So from 50 questions, 200 marks, GK 20, the general awareness 25, these all things 25, mathematics 25, total 50, again 200. So total 400 marks question. So syllabus is very easy. I will tell you some books. Just refer that books, then you will easy to understand. So first I am starting today this topic, descriptive statistics and probability. So I am creating one playlist also for CUET PG statistics test. So this is lecture 1. Okay, this is our lecture 1. So in the first lecture we discuss what is descriptive statistics and how they ask questions. Then we move to the probability next lecture. Then random variables one by one we will start. See, in descriptive statistics, what is syllabus is there. In descriptive statistics, measures of central tendency is there, measures of dispersion is there, skewness and kurtosis. So elementary data analysis. Up to here, this is descriptive statistics. So these all things come under my part 1. Okay. So now moving to the questions. So first we need to know what is statistics. Okay. So questions are maximum theoretical questions will be there and numerical questions will be there. Numerical and theoretical. So from if numerical 30 questions will come, theoretical also maximum 20 questions are compulsory. Theoretical questions also come 10 to 15. There is no doubt from this. Like out of 50, 10 or 15 questions came from theory. Okay, so theory also important, numerical also important. So coming to the point. So what is statistics? So if those who are studying statistics, they know very well. So in statistics, we are considering 4 parts. What is the first part? Collection of data, then formulation of data, then analysis, then conclusion. Okay, so what is the first step? Collection of data. So after collection, formulation of data. How you can formulate, either table way or either you can graphical way. There are number of ways are there. We will discuss that one by one also. So first step is collection of data, second is formulation of data, third one is analysis, means which test you need to apply for the given data. Either you can apply, there are n number of sets, n number of tests are available, like chi-square, t-test, f-set, regression, correlation, spearman, anything based on data. After applying the test, then you need to conclude either it is acceptable, either it is rejectable, then how much, everything it is comes under the statistics. So this is what brief about statistics. Now what is the descriptive statistics? In statistics mainly we have two types, that is descriptive, then inferential. So one is descriptive and second one is inferential statistics. So in descriptive statistics, here we consider as numerical values. So in descriptive statistics, our total things will be based on n. But in inferential statistics, what we will do, we will discuss later also this. So here mainly population and sample. These two plays a vital role in inferential statistics. But in descriptive statistics, if we have one data set, it is completely known. In descriptive statistics, we know the complete values. Then we can apply different measures like central tendencies, dispersion, whatever, kurtosis, whatever whatever you want, you can apply that operations in descriptive statistics. So in descriptive statistics, our what is the first topic, that is central tendency. In inflation statistics we'll discuss more when we topic came, then we discuss, no need to worry. So now our topic is descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics, one thing is that is central tendency. So what is central tendency? So in BSc first year, you all are aware about this topic, either central tendency or central value, average. These all comes under similar meanings. So what central tendency says? A single value, a single value which describe the complete distribution. A single value is describe the complete distribution or set of everything. So different definitions also available. So this is one of the simple definition. So in central tendency, a single value is describe the total part of the distribution or complete part of the distribution. So I will tell you some examples to how to identify either it is central tendency, dispersion, all things. So in central tendency, five types are there. So these are also we are full aware that: mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These five parts are there. Okay. So I will tell you briefly what is what. Then I give you the one simple example. So first is mean is there. So everyone aware about this mean. This is set of observations by number of observations. So what is mean? So next median is, for example. So first I will discuss about definitions. Then I give examples. So median is, after arranging the data, that is middlemost value. Mode is what? Most repeated value, frequently repeated value. Geometric mean means you can use like AR square. This type of data you can apply geometric mean. So harmonic mean is 1 by reciprocal of given arithmetic observations. 1 by x will come again. So this is about harmonic mean. So I gave you the one simple example for understanding this topic. Then we discuss some MCQs, okay, based on central tendency. Then you will get the full idea about this. So my example is, if you take any data set, like my data set is, I have n equal to 6 values. So my first value is 45, 65, 30, then again 75, again 70, so again 55. So these are the my 6 values. This is one data set, like you can take any type of variables, okay. So now I need to find the central tendency measures. So what central tendency says? So I am taking one more value, that is n equal to 7 for finding limit. So it is 25. Okay, so what is the mean? First I need to find the mean x bar. So we all know what is the formula, just the sum of values by number of values. You can, I think calculator is in NTX. Calculator is I will see the guidelines, then tell you whether it is allowed or not. So 45 plus 65 plus 30 plus 75 plus 70 plus 55 plus 25, it is 365. So 365 divided by 7, so it is approximately 52.14. So we all are know how to calculate all things. So what this 52.4 indicates? A single value. So each and every value contains 52.4. So what is further step? So we need to find the median. So how to find the median? So arrange the data: 25, 30, then we have 45, then we have 55, 65, 70, 75. So what this indicates? 55 is the our median. 55 is the median. So similarly find the mode also. Here mode does not exist because there is no repeated value. Mode does not exist. So we mainly do these three only: mean, median, mode. Arithmetic, geometric mean, that geometric, what we say, geometric, harmonic mean also important in different ways. Okay, so we discussed when we case came. So now my question is, what this 55 indicates, what mode indicates, what 52.4 indicates. Any idea? So x bar 52.4 means each and every value contain 52.4. Okay. So what about median? 55. I got median as a 55. So what is the inference regarding that median? Hello. So what 55 indicates? Okay. Find the what 55 indicates, then tell me in the next class. Okay. So these three about central tendency. Okay. Next we have dispersion measures are there. Dispersion. So in dispersion, mainly we have, so in the or more important point from the central tendency, what is ideal measure? That is mean. So in the dispersion we have again. So what is the dispersion? Difference between values from their average. So either you can use the word scatterness also, difference between the values from their average. So what's next? So coming to the types, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation or variance. So both are just like one simple formulas. So we all know how to find the range. So here coefficient of range, sometimes they ask the question what is the formula for coefficient of range, like q3 minus q1 by q3 plus q1. This type of formulas also they ask sometimes. So we need to know what is the range, highest value minus lowest value. So what is quartile deviation? There are four quarters are there: q1, q2, q3, q4. So q2 is nothing but median. So what is the formula for q1? L plus n by 4 minus capital F by small f into C. So similarly for Q2 also, here 2n will come, then 2 will cancel out, here Q3 3n by 4, Q4 you get the n by 4 by 4 means you will get the n only. Okay, this is about quartile deviation. So when we move to the mean deviation, again x minus x bar, either you can take x bar, either you can take median, either you can take mode. So standard deviation is again difference between the values from their averages, like summation of x square minus x bar whole square. Okay, so here 1 by n square will be there. So these three are the dispersion measures. Then we have what skewness kurtosis is there. So for skewness kurtosis, you, so in dispersion ideal measure is the standard deviation. So what is the ideal measure? For the ideal measure there are some properties are there. For example, one is it should be rigidly defined, then it should be based on all observation, less extreme values. Next, yes, what property is there? Sampling fluctuation, some 6 7 properties are there. If which measure satisfy the more properties, then we say that it is the ideal measure. Okay, so for skewness kurtosis you need to know the what are the moments. So what are the moments? In moments again we have two classifications, that they are raw moments and central moments. Either you can use the word central or non-central. In raw moments they are obtained from some constants or origin. In central moments they are obtaining from mean. Okay, so again you need to remember the four important formulas. They are in the raw moments what we get. expected value of x power r, that is summation x power r into p of x equal to x. So when you substitute x equal to 1, you will get the expected value of x. When you r equal to 2, then you will get the expected value of x square. Till expectation value of x4 is important. You can use the notation also mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash. Sometimes they ask these formulas directly also. So after mu1 is 0 always, mu2 is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Again mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 into mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus 2u1 dash whole cube. So similarly for mu4 also you can refer the book or you can use the Google it also. So these are about moments. After finding the moments, so skewness, kurtosis, skewness and kurtosis. What this take? So skewness means lack of symmetry. It is nothing. Lack of symmetry. So in kurtosis we will find the shape of the distribution. So after doing the random variables, you will get the clear idea about skewness and kurtosis also. Okay. So skewness, there are few. What is symmetric? You need to know. If I am saying lack of symmetrics, first you need to know what is the symmetric. So for the symmetric, we have three properties are there. They are well known. It should be bell shaped. Next, mean equal to median equal to mode. Then Q2 equal to Q1 plus Q3 by 2. So when our data satisfies these three steps, then we say that it is symmetric and zero skewness, and our skewness is 0. So in similarly, again in skewness there are different types are there: positive, negative, 0, positive, negative, 0 skewness. So different measures also there: Bowley skewness, then Pearson is there, then based on moments, that is beta 1, mu3 square by mu2 cube. So Bowley skewness, Pearson skewness, these all are the important formulas. You can refer the formulas. Sometimes we ask the question from directly that formula also. If beta 1 came, then gamma 1 is just a root of beta 1. So these are all the shaping parameters. Similarly, you can find the beta 2 also. In the cutoff is mu 4 by mu 2 cube. This is our beta 2. Again, gamma 2 is beta 2 minus 3. Okay, these all are the shaping parameters. So after finding these shaping parameters, so what is your syllabus? Then elementary analysis of data. You can, this thing you will do later. So till now I explained these four parts: measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, skewness, kurtosis. Now we need to discuss the MCQs. So there is one book is there, well-known book, that is BL Agrawal. In the BL Agrawal, if you study this book very well, then you easy to the score also. So it is approximately 60 page. There are, see here, fill in the blanks also there, fill in the blanks also there, and MCQ also there. If anyone need this book, you can just comment or WhatsApp, either by email or WhatsApp. If you message anywhere, we will send this book to you. Okay, you can read it. Other you can download it from Google, either Jet Library or from Standard Library. You can just Google it, the program and statistics BL Agarwal book PDF, BL Agarwal PDF. You will get the lot of from Google. Okay. So see, there are well-known examples are there. So what is the measures? Mean is measure of. So we already discussed this is what? Central value, location. So see, in the dimension, dispersion, correlation and above. So these three are wrong. Again, which of the following is measure of the central value? So what? See, standard deviation is dispersion, mean deviation is dispersion, quartile deviation is dispersion. So median is the answer. So which of the following represent median? So I already tell Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 as there Q2. So 50% means it is nothing but 50%. So median is the 50%. If the constant value 50 is subtracted from each observation of a set, then mean of the set is. So For this, you need to know origin and scale. Change of effect on origin and scale. What is origin? Addition and minus. What is scales? So, division and multiplication. Division and multiplication. So what they are saying, if the constant value 50 is subtracted from each observation of set, then the value of the set is. So before going to the these, you can just take some example. For example, you have five data values. For I am understanding, I am saying you have five values. These are like 70, 80, 90, 100. Just take four values also, no issue. So if you find the mean, then what value will get? So 190, then 150, 190, 150. That is, it is nothing but 30, 34. 340 divided by 4. So 4 8s are 32, 20 means 5. 85 you are getting. So what they are saying, 50 is subtracted from the each observation. So when you have 30, sorry, 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. So again find the mean. What will the formula? 90. So it will come 140. 140 by 4. So 4 3 is the 12 for 35. So what happened? Here 85 is there. Here 35 is there. So decrease it 50. So this is the answer. If you don't know the property, if it is direct property, if it is mean is change of origin and scale of, it is direct property, it is well known, but you don't know the formula, you can just take the some numerical example, then you can easy to understand everything. So again same thing is happened. If the constant 5 is added, here subtracted, here added, so what will happen? It will be increased by 5. So if each observed set is multiplied by 10, and the new mean of new set of observations is what? 10 times multiple of mean value. No doubt. If each value of the series is multiple by 10, the median of the coded values is 10 times original median value. So no doubt. Like this, you can practice all these questions. At last, you have see this type of questions you will ask. The average of 7 numbers is 7, 9, 12, x 5, comma 4, comma 11 is 9. Then find the missing value x. So what is the average property says? Sum of x by n equal to. So our mean is 9. So just to cross multiply it, you will get the value. Okay. So very simple questions we will ask. This type of questions also important. Just to practice these questions, it is very useful book for entrance exams. See here, you need to find the relationship between, see the AM of two numbers is 60 and 6.5, then GM is 6. So what are the two numbers? You can just go through the options. So what your average should be 6.5. So when you add the 2, 9, 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 by 2 is 7.5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 9 plus 5 is 7, so it is 13. It will be the answer. Okay, no, this is the answer, 13. So our geometry matrix, what 9 into 4, it should be 6. So 9 4 is 36, 6 9 4 is the answer. So like this you can practice. There are approximately 80 90 questions will be there, or 100 question maybe. Okay, you can practice more than 100 also there. You can practice all the questions, remember the formulas and all things. Similarly, after completing the central tendency, measures of dispersion, skewness, kurtosis also will be there in BL Agrawal book. You can just go through that books, you will get the clear idea about all things. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can comment us. Thank you for watching.